Taverna can be used to access all sorts of secured services, including HTTP basic authentication, secure web services, and websites behind SSL certificates. We will demonstrate accessing these types of services in this video. We'll start by taking a look at WS Security. The first thing that happens when you try to access a secure resource is a pop-up reminding you to install the Java cryptography extensions. Download them from the link shown and back up and replace the jars in the Java Home lib security folder. You only need to do this once. If the Credential Manager does not have a master password set yet, then it will prompt you to enter one. Try and remember it, but if you forget it, then you'll have to delete the Taverna security directory. Check out the wiki for more details. If the username and password for this secure service is not currently stored in the Credential Manager, then it will prompt you for them. It is up to you whether you want to store them or just make it a one-time use. You can change the type of security that a web service uses by selecting the service in the diagram or the Workflow Explorer, choosing the Details tab, and clicking on the Configure Security button. You can also set the default username and password for the service as well. The Credential Manager can be accessed through the Advanced menu option in the menu bar. Here you can see what URLs you have accessed, and you can view or edit their usernames and passwords. You can also add new URLs and you can add their usernames and passwords. You can also view, delete, and export certificates that are either in a default set to ship with Java or that you have previously accepted. You can also import new certificates. When you access a new HTTPS resource, the Credential Manager recognizes that there is a new certificate and asks if you want to accept or reject it. If you reject it, then the workflow will still run but will probably fail. You can choose to trust always or only for this instance of Taverna. Shutting Taverna down will clear the certificate. You can always use the Credential Manager later to remove any certificates you have chosen to always accept.